Understanding to acquit, a guide to English legal terms. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a term that you might have heard in legal dramas or in the news, to acquit. It's a term that carries significant weight in legal contexts, and it's important for English language learners to grasp its meaning and use. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means to be acquitted, how to use the phrase in a sentence, and its implications. So, let's get started. To acquit is a verb that comes from legal English. It means to free someone from a criminal charge by a verdict of not guilty. When a person is acquitted, they are officially cleared of criminal responsibility by the judgment of a court. It's important to note that being acquitted doesn't necessarily mean that the person is proven innocent. It means that there wasn't enough evidence to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The term acquit originates from the Old French word acquitter, which means to pay off or satisfy a debt. Over time, its meaning evolved in legal contexts to refer to the clearing of charges or debts. This historical background gives us insight into why the term is associated with the concept of clearing a responsibility or charge. It's important to know how to properly use to acquit in a sentence. Here are a few examples. The jury acquitted the defendant after finding insufficient evidence of the crime. Despite the public outcry, the celebrity was acquitted of all charges. The new evidence could acquit the accused, providing an alibi for the time of the crime. Notice that to acquit is often used in the passive form, e.g., was acquitted, which is common in legal contexts. Being acquitted has significant legal and social implications. Legally, an acquittal means that the accused may not be retried for the same offense, a principle known as double jeopardy. Socially, while an acquittal can relieve the accused, it might not always restore their public image or resolve the matter in the court of public opinion. It's common for English learners to confuse to acquit with to convict. To clarify, to convict is the opposite of to acquit. It means to find someone guilty of a crime. Remember, acquit equals not guilty, and convict equals guilty. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase to acquit. Remember, it's a term that's specific to the legal field and signifies a person being cleared of charges. As you continue your English learning journey, such terms can be fascinating to learn, especially if you're interested in legal matters or the justice system. See you in the next video, and keep learning.